Hey guys, my name is Thunderstorm Artis, and this is an edition of my song, Young and Dumb. Used to live my life, just casting out the blame, saying no one knows gonna make change. So why should I wait? Old prophets and preachers would tell me the truth, but I was blinded and blinded by all that I would do. Oh, it's hard to find the truth. But I was young and I was dumb. There were some things in my life that I probably shouldn't done. And I see the Lord wash the summer sky. I write you a song and I'll sing you a lullaby. His life passed me by. See, life is a game that we all play, but we're all pieces and someday we're all fade away. This time passed me by. But I was young and I was dumb. There were some things in my life that I probably shouldn't have done. We're all searching for something to share. Oh, someone to love and someone to care. But won't you, dear, just say just what you feel? But I know it's hard to find the truth. Oh, mother and father, forgive me for my wrongs, all that I have said and all that I have done. Oh, if I let you down. Well, I was young and I was dumb. Well, I was young and I was dumb. And there were some things in my life that I probably shouldn't have done.